Most of us might have already known the taste of rides. Throw the leg over, turn the key, and hit the road for endless miles. And your friend is along on the back or maybe behind you. Running low on cash, the best possible option available in the market, and long waited Sena supported product without breaking your bank, which gives you control, flexibility, and kick the boredom out of solo riding. It's Parani M10 by Sena, and this device is for you. The same experience I went through the Bangalore highway, the most boring highway. Most of you have already experienced this, and we went through the same. We went the immediate day out to market in Bangalore during our October 2020 Uti trip and searched for options and found this amazing product that was recently came out to the market and seemed the best option and immediately picked it up for 6,000 rupees each. Here is unboxing of Parani Sena and a truly experienced feedback of using this over 3,000 kilometers on road in worst weather conditions. Rains, heavy dust and wild wind blows. Immediately we open the box. We find the device itself with velcro, two mounts, a speaker set which fits in your helmet and a USB Type-C cable to charge the device, and most important for your first step, a user manual. The user manual explains very clear with all the crisp instructions which even the first time user can operate instantly. You can sit and work on understanding the functionality. There is a learning curve though. Let's look at the device. This device has two ports and two buttons to operate. One is a multifunction button, one jog dial for instantly connecting and disconnecting from group and volume controls. The other two ports are speaker connectivity port and a USB Type-C charging. Pairing is as easy as spreading the butter on bread. Long hold multifunction button and jog dial at the same time. It will immediately get into the pairing mode after 5 seconds. Open your Bluetooth settings on phone and select Parani M10 on your phone. By the way, if you wanted to connect to intercom, then disconnect Bluetooth and connect intercom. I mean for the first time of pairing though. Once connected, the next time you turn it on, it will immediately look for its partner. Pairing intercom is also simple. Long hold the jog dial for 5 seconds in both the intercoms and press jog dial button once and the connection will be established immediately. Installation of speakers is also very simple. Remove all your helmet cushions and place the speakers. Note that your helmet must be feasible enough to install a Sena device. Purchase ones which has a speaker cut already available or the cushion that is thick enough to make a cut with blade and install it. Place a mic as shown in the video and the first setup will take 15 to 30 minutes based on your helmet design. The first functionality test. Till how much distance practically a Parani can work. We shall do a quick mic and speaker check.
Intercoms are connected and we are doing this audio test. Right, we have connected both our phones and one of the phone is running. It's like 70 meters, 100 meters, it's still connected. It's going beyond 100, it's connected. Gone. 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 There is an interference now. Bobby, can you please come back? So this is a straight road test that we have done with a little obstacles. So that's the way it is. So if you or your partner who is riding along with you has or maybe he doesn't move beyond 100 meters or within 200 meters and is in a straight road without any interference in between, then I think this Parani will work. The specifications which are given on the device is not accurate. It says 1 kilometer, but this device doesn't even survive for 200 meters in straight.
Hello, check.
Yeah. So he came back now within 150 meters distance, and that's working again. Can you say something?
Hello, check. Can you hear me?
Yeah, crisp and clear. So within 100 and 250 meters, it's working fine.
So now you know all about Parani. Do you need one? You may get it from Bangalore or Hyderabad dealers or drop a comment. I'll respond to you directly. By the way, Parani is splash proof. Don't try to use this in heavy rains. This device is for couple riders and close group leaders. If you like the content of our video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click on bell notification to receive all the updates immediately we upload the video. That's it for today. See you in another vlog. Until then, stay healthy, stay safe. Peace.